Every month here on Best of the Bluegrass, we take you to Richmond Road Veterinary Clinic for our Ask the Vet segment. This month, we're at the Tates Creek Animal Hospital in Lexington. Dr. Kevin Smith, the CEO, is back with us.
I'm back.
A lot of people know you from Richmond Road Veterinary
Yes.
Clinic. This is a sister location.
It is.
Tates Creek Animal Hospital, it has the name hospital in it, but you are providing a lot more.
Yes, we are general practice, just like Richmond Road. We're preventive medicine, wellness care, surgery, and medicine. So we are sister clinics. This is a smaller scale than Richmond Road, but it's a fast-growing clinic.
All right, let's get to our Ask the Vet questions for this month. Our first one comes from Nate in Lexington, and Nate writes, "My dog has been on Apoquel for years. Are there any additional add-ins I can use to reduce or eliminate the need for the medicine?" First off, what is Apoquel? I've not heard of this.
Apoquel is a wonderful medication for allergies. We're in Kentucky. We have 4 seasons. We have all the trees, all the grasses. We're in an allergy storm nearly all the time. And Apoquel is a medication that we use that disrupts the itch cycle. It disrupts proteins that when you're exposed to allergens, your body produces histamine. It helps break that cycle. So these dogs that itch, it'll relieve the itching and inflammation. It's been a game changer for us.
Is there anything that he can do to...
Yes. So regular bathing is a great way to help prevent allergy. Imagine your dog with all the hair. It's like a dust moth. So all the allergens, spores, pollens, attach to their coat. So regular bathing. Orally, they can also fish oils. It's fantastic. Just like you and I should take fish oils, it'll help their coat, their luster. And there's also some antihistamines they can use as well. But as far as stopping the itch, Apoquel is absolutely wonderful.
Our next question is from Linda in Lexington, who writes, "I'm thinking of getting a new puppy. What if our 6-year-old lab doesn't get along with him? What can they do to get the dogs to get along, not stress them out?"
Right. Part of the issue with the new puppy, it's going to be stressful. For you, the human, for the dog, we just need to get into a rhythm and a cycle. Most dogs do very well, especially with puppies. There's going to be some hiccups here and there. Protecting the puppy, making sure the older dog still gets love and attention just like before, they will fall in to be fast friends. It's really, if you can, as an owner, can stay calm and stable, the dogs will pick up on this.
Are there certain breeds, though, that you would say maybe don't mix, that wouldn't be good in the same household?
It depends on the personality of the dog. My big thing, if I was adopting a new dog, I would bring my 2 dogs to meet the puppy. How do they interact? How do they act? And that'll give you a big clue of how things are going to go. The biggest thing I can't overemphasize is for the owner not to be stressful, because the dog will pick up on that and act weird.
Our next question is about ticks. John from Nicholasville asks, "Ticks were terrible last year. Aside from medicine, what can I do, and when should I worry about a tick bite?"
Yes, I think ticks are going to be just as bad this year. The weather seems to be changing, so our winters we don't have these hard freezes to where you have tick kill off. The biggest thing is in your backyard, keeping your grass mowed, keeping it low so these ticks can't climb up and get on your dog, cleaning your shrubbery. And then if you go to the gorge, you go hiking, you go to the arboretum, look at, visually inspect your dog, go through the hair, look for ticks, and then remove them. The best way to do that is to grab the head and fully remove it. And then you watch for your, lethargy, vomiting, any change in behavior. Most of the time the dogs get bit by ticks, it's uneventful. Occasionally they can get transferred, Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, other things. But the dog will cue you into what's going on.
Tates Creek Animal Hospital is here in the Tates Creek Center, right off Tates Creek Road.
That's right.
So what is the best way for people to get more information, maybe make an appointment?
The best way, I would go to our website, tatescreekanimalhospital.com. They have all of our information, our location, our phone number, our email address. We'd love to have you in here. This is a great facility, and we're so thankful to be here.
And if you have a question for Ask the Vet, you can email it to us at bestofthebluegrass@wlex.tv.